So today we are going to clean the toilet. It's a quick job and it really should be done every single day, especially if you have multiple people living in your house. If it's just you, well, you know how dirty you are, so you know. Sorry it's echoey, but it is a bathroom and it's tiled and it tends to be. So first and foremost, what order should it be done in? I always clean the seat first, okay? And I tend to use wipes for the seat because they're disposable. You throw them away when they're done, and to me they just seem the most hygienic method. At the moment I'm using Dettol multi-purpose antibacterial wipes. These, you can use any type of cleaning wipes, but an antibacterial wipe just says to me it's cleaner and it's better. So we're going to make a start with that. And I usually use two because why not? So I'm going to plonk you on the floor so you can see. Now there's a bar seat around my toilet because my mother lives with me and my mother's disabled. So I will show you how we navigate around that as well. So start off with two wipes moulded in together, just scrunch them up in your hand, and start off by wiping around the top part of the toilet, like that. Also, if you have a frame like this, which may well have a part touching the toilet seat, then you need to clean over that bit with this as well. Okay, because these are the parts that are going to be touching your private areas. Okay, now once that is nice and clean, you can lift it up and you're now going to work on the under part of the toilet seat. Give it a good wipe round and don't forget to go right around these bits. Okay, this is why using two is better. Get more bang for your buck, as they say. Go all the way around, make sure you get under that lip, that you actually clean that entire area, like so. Mine's got peeling plastic on it, so it looks a bit yucky at the moment. I need to replace it. Then when you finish that, you can do this top area of the toilet. So go all the way around the toilet bowl, like so. And don't forget these connection parts that connect the lid and the seat to your toilet. You can fold the thing over to get to a clean pass. Now I also do just inside the lid, just inside the lip of the bowl. You don't need to be going down inside the bowl. Then when you're done, close it and do behind here. Okay. And then once that's done, that's it, you throw this bit away. Next, you want to be cleaning inside the bowl. There are two different products you could use, both Harpic. If you want something to battle lime scale, which tends to look like a crusty residue down the bottom of your bowl, you want the black one, okay? I also use the black one when I'm deep cleaning. If you're just using regular everyday and you want it to just smell a bit nicer, I tend to use a nice scented one. This one is Tropical Fragrance, French Polynesian Islands Tahiti, it says on it, and I got this in Home Bargains. Now, you will, because of the nature of the top of this, it can get underneath the rim of the bowl. So you want to squirt it so it goes up underneath the bowl, like so. Okay, I'm sorry about the wobbly camera work, but I'm trying to do this and watch all at the same time. Let's rest you there. And then you want to get a toilet brush. This is a silicone one that I got on Amazon, but you can use a regular toilet brush as well. And then you just use it to help spread that around and clean off any doings that may well still be there. Okay, and you want to do it so that it gets, see how it's bending the brush to get right up underneath the bowl, like that. And then give it a bit of a rinse off in there. Now you can leave your brush like that and pull the seat down to help wedge it into place while it dries off. I do not do this because I have an elderly mother and a small child living in my house, and it would probably just end up back in the toilet, so I don't do that. I would recommend you do that if you have a bristle type brush. I don't with this because it's silicone, and it goes back in its little hole. Let's just plonk you there in the bath. Sorry about the wonky camera. And it goes back in its bowl and done. That is it. That is cleaning the toilet. All done, dusted and happy. If you are deep cleaning, I would then use another product like this. You want a fizz fresher type cleaner, and this is just one tablet, and you drop it down inside the bowl and leave it for about 20 minutes to do. You do this once a week, okay? What I tend to do is I will put the black Harpic down, squirt it like I did, spread it all around, then I'll just drop this into the bowl, it fizzes out, and 20 minutes later you come back up and you flush the toilet. Another thing you could use is these. This goes inside the cistern, so that's the back bit, this bit of the toilet. You lift it up and you literally just drop one of these in there, and it makes like a foaming wash. So it helps add cleaner to the water. Now, if you're wanting to clean the outside of your toilet, so this part along with like your sink and all of that lot, that's going to be covered in the bathroom cleaning. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Take it easy and I'll see you next time.